Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a storage account in Azure. Okay. Now, there are three ways to make a storage account or create a storage account in Azure. One is by using the Azure portal, and the second approach is you can also use Azure PowerShell to create a storage account. And the third approach is you can also use Azure CLI commands to create a storage account in Azure. So all the three approaches we are going to cover as part of this video tutorial. Now let me navigate to Azure portal. We will see the Azure portal approach first. And for the other two approaches, if you are looking for this command or the script that we are going to execute, I have already written one article on this particular topic where I have also covered these three approaches. I will put that article link in the video description. You can just check out that article and you can collect this PowerShell script and Azure CLI script to create the storage account in Azure from there. Okay. Now let me navigate to Azure portal where I will show you how to create a storage account using Azure portal. Now let me go there. You can able to see here already I have logged in into Azure portal, and what I'll do is I'll just search here for storage account. You can able to see here the search result storage account. Click on that and create a new storage account. You just click on this create button. The moment you will do that, you will be redirected to create a storage account window where the first thing is you have to select the subscription. For me, there is only one subscription, so this is the default loading for me. And if you have multiple subscription, you have to choose the subscription that you want to use for creating the storage account. And coming to this resource group, select a resource group. The either you can select a existing resource group, or else you can just create on the click on the create new link and give a name and use that new resource group. Just click on OK, it will create that resource group. Okay. Now for time being, I'll just select the existing resource group here. And here you need to provide a storage account. Then as a next step, you have to select the region we belongs to. So I will say East US, let it be. And here performance, you have to select the standard or premium based on your requirement. I'll go with the standard one. And here also geo redundancy, GRS, or I mean based on again your requirement. I'll keep it the default option as it is. Now I'll just click on the next button to move to the advanced tab, and here I'll keep everything as it is. I'm not going to change anything. Here you can choose this access tier and all. I'll go with this hot. You can also change it to full if you want based on your requirement, but I'm not going to change anything. Okay. Now I'll click on the next. It will go to networking tab. Here also I don't want to change anything. I'll keep it as it is. Now the next is data protection. If you want this option to be enabled, you can check it, or else you can uncheck also some of the options. Okay. But I will not change anything here as well. I'll click on the encryption. Here it looks good for me. I'll go with the default one. And then tax also not going to change anything. Then finally review plus create. Just click on review plus create. Basically, whatever we have entered in the basics tab only, we kept it. On the other tabs, we didn't change anything. We kept it as it is. But you can change it if you need, or like based on your requirement, right? So finally, what it will do is it will validate all this entry, and it then only if all are okay, then only you will see this create button enabled over here. Okay. If in case any error or any issues, it won't enable this create button. You have to fix those issues first, then only you will see this create button. So finally click on the create button to create the storage account, and it will just take few seconds to create the storage account. You can able to see here the deployment is in progress. It will do so many things in the background. The system will take some time to deploy it. Now you can able to see your deployment is complete. It is successfully done. To navigate to the storage account that we have created, just click on the go to resource button, and you can able to see here this is the storage account that is created successfully. Okay, so this is how you can create a storage account in Azure portal. Now coming back to the second approach, we'll use Azure PowerShell to create a storage account in Azure. What I'll do is let me go here and search for PowerShell ISC. I will run as administrator. Now I have already written one command. I will just explain you here. Let me copy that first. So basically, what are the things we need here? I'll just paste it. So you can able to see here what we need here is we need the resource group where I'm saying demo 12346 is my resource group. Location is East US. And then we are using new Azure storage account, which is quite important. Okay, this is the command which will help us to create a storage account, new hyphen Azure storage account. We are so along with this new Azure storage account, we are passing the parameter, the resource group name. Okay, this is the demo 12346. We are passing it here. Then the name we are mentioning the storage account name. Okay, now the location again is US, whatever we have declared here, and then SKU name is standard. Okay, you can either go with the standard or premium, and then kind is storage V2. Okay, these are the parameters basically we need to create a storage account. Okay, so let me execute this script. As I told you, if you want this particular script, I have also already written one article. That article link I'm going to put it in video description. You can just copy this script from there, okay, and change your resource group, location, etc. based on yours. Okay. Let me execute this. We'll see whether it is going to execute successful or not. We will wait for some time. Basically, the script has been run successfully, and we are able to create the storage account successfully, right? So Apple storage account 890 is the storage account. Just to cross check, what we'll do is again I'll navigate to the Azure portal, and I'll go to the home page. I'll click on the storage accounts, or even you can search your storage accounts last time how we have done it. Okay, just search your the storage account and click on the storage account result, and you will be navigated to here. You can able to see here this is the storage account that we have created just now. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so that means our storage account has been created successfully using PowerShell. Now the third approach, we will move to the third approach, which is the Azure CLI approach. What I'll do is let me click here uh, Cloud Shell and the Azure portal. I'll click here. Now what I'll do is I will just click on switch to PowerShell because we will be running with that, and it will change it to the PowerShell mode. Now meanwhile what I'll do is I have already written one Azure CLI script. I will just copy there, copy from here to there. You can able to see here. Let me explain over here only. See storage account create. This is the complete command, the Azure CLI command that we are using to create the storage account. Along with that, we are providing the parameter as name, the storage account name, and then resource group name. This is my resource group name, and then along with that location, and then the SKU standard or premium. We are using here standard. Okay, so this is the complete Azure CLI script to create the Azure storage account. So what I'll do is I'll just paste it here. I'm sorry. I'll just paste it here, the complete command, and I'll hit enter. Now you can able to see it started running. This the query execution has been started, and we'll see what the output we are getting. We will have to wait for few seconds when it is going to create a storage account. You can able to see here the storage account has been created. Now we'll verify whether it is created successfully or not. This is the storage account name. You can able to see demo storage 56. So what we'll do here is we will search for storage account. Will click here and we will see whether this is created or not. You can able to see here. This is the demo storage, right? Demo storage 56. This is the demo storage 56, which has been created successfully. Okay, so this is how you can use Azure CLI to create the storage account. So that's it for today. We discussed here three approaches to create a storage account in Azure. We have used Azure Portal, then Azure PowerShell, and Azure CLI script to create a storage account in Azure. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you will get lots of free Azure skills and different helpful Azure PowerShell commands and Azure CLI commands as well. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.